And today I just got this like a few hours ago, and we're going to be doing 5 flat shots with regular and 5 slam fire shots regular. Let's do it. See, as you can see, I have the camera lined up. Last one. There it goes. Collect all the bullets. Do it again. Do slam fire. And yeah, I have the little one, which is this one. Have it loaded up and everything. Yeah, we're gonna be testing that out. They're not quite the same length or width because, well, they have the same thing, but this one's bigger and this one's smaller. It's very good for pocket gun. I'm gonna do some flat shots on this. It's much more powerful. Alright, let's do slam fire on both guns. Alright, let's do slam fire. Here we go. Oh yeah, if you don't know how to do slam fire, you just hold down the trigger and pull whatever you have back. Like, say I have one of these, you hold the trigger and you let go, hold the trigger and let go. I don't have one of those. I'm spending one for Christmas. Like I said, I'm going to do an unboxing interview on Christmas. Oh shoot. Okay, there's all 5 darts. Now we need to do slam fire on the littler version. So let's do that. And this will be quick because it only had 2 darts. Much more powerful. Much more powerful. Way much powerful than the other one, slam fire. This one, you can hear the click. I'm gonna do it at the camera really quick. 1 slam fire, which is that one slam fire. Should do it again because I missed the slam fire because slam fire is hard. Let me lay down. No, got stuck. That one did too. Yeah, so they both got stuck on the screen. You may not see because it's nowhere near the camera. So this is the camera. Yeah, this is the camera. It was like, come on. Well, it was like this on the screen. That was pretty good, but I'm not gonna waste all the time because I might run out of space. So that's all for today. Subscribe, like that like button, comment below, and I'll see you tomorrow.